Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get your wheels from this to this. This is part 3 of a 3-part series on how to clean your roller skates. So what you're going to need is a bowl, your dirty wheels, a toothbrush, either dish soap or hand soap, and optional, but I'm going to be using baking soda. And you're going to need some hot water.
So first I'm just going to be taking some baking soda and sprinkling it all over the wheels. Now I'm going in with my soap and giving it a few pumps. Then I'm putting hot water on top of the wheels, making sure to completely cover them. Then just let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. After that, I'm just dumping out all the water. Then I'm going in with a toothbrush, making sure to scrub all around the wheels on the outside and the inside.
An ecologist describes human behavior is as an action. What you do is what the whole universe...
Repeat this on all of the wheels and then use a towel to dry them off. And you're done.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you could please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, it really helps me out a lot. Thank you guys once again so much for watching, and bye.